Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca, aka the Mobility Bomb, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a little bit something different for you today. Today I have an unboxing video for you. I have teamed up with Tourism of Ireland for their happy St. Patrick's Day celebration that will be happening virtually tonight, and I'm really excited because they sent me this really cool gift box, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in it. I haven't opened it because I wanted to do it with you guys, but they sent me this huge box, and I'm really excited because Ireland has been one of the places on my bucket list for quite a while now. I just love the whole feel there. And so I'm really excited to be joining their virtual event tonight and that they invited me along. So how about we dig in and see what they sent me. As I said, this is from the Tourism Board of Ireland. And they sent me this huge box. And on it is our hashtag right there. So if you follow that hashtag, Happy St. Patrick's Day, you'll get to see some really cool stuff. Probably some more unboxing, some live tweets. Oh, excuse me, I went right off camera there with that box. And all that good stuff. So be sure to follow that hashtag tonight. The virtual event actually starts at 4, but if you follow it throughout the day, you'll get to see some really cool stuff. So with that said, let's dive into the box. All right, first up, of course, is always the really cool cards they send with these boxes. In this case, they actually sent us quite a few. They sent us all these little postcards with like little pieces of information about St. Patrick's Day, and they're really cool. They're like little bits of pieces of intrigue. Like, contrary to popular legend, St. Patrick didn't banish snakes from Ireland. Snakes never existed in the first place. Okay, now I know I need to go to Ireland because snakes and we're just not the best of friends. So anywhere where there are no snakes, I'm all for. But there's that. Alrighty, and so they gave me a bunch of these little cards, and then of course it's the same picture with the hashtag, but on the back it says, on March 17th, the island of Ireland thrums with energy and excitement as St. Patrick's Day. For St. Patrick's Day, and this year we are bringing it to you. So grab something green to wear, and we'll see you on March 11th to celebrate all things Irish. So I'm excited. I'm really, really excited because, like I said, Ireland's been on my bucket list for a while now. So I'm really excited that they invited me to this virtual event, especially with everything going on in the world. I get to go hang out with a bunch of fun people, celebrate St. Patrick's Day, learn about Ireland, and I get to do it from the safety of my home. And as soon as travel is safe again, I'm booking my plane ticket to Ireland. Just putting that out there now. Another thing we got is this really cool book. It says, let's see, it says Park Hotel Kenmore 120, celebrating places and people from 1897 to 2017. So I'm assuming this is one of the books that they put in their hotels for you guys to read through and learn about Ireland and stuff while you're there. So that's really cool. So let's see what else we got. Got some really cool cards. Yeah, sorry if the light's reflecting. I cannot find a spot in my house where light does not reflect. My house is either really dark or really bright. I cannot find a happy medium, but we'll do our best. But anyways, here we go. Some really cute cards. They're like thank you cards. Let's see what else. Let's dive in and see what else we got. Ooh. Now, please forgive me if I pronounce anything wrong. If you are from Ireland and watching this and I've pronounced something wrong, I am sorry. I'm not very good at that sort of thing. And if you know the correct pronunciation, feel free to correct me. But this one I think says Lord's chocolate tier. But it came in this really cute box. And then when you open it up, it's got a card with the website. So I'll put that up so you can see the website. And then inside, under this really pretty pieces of paper, see if I can do this without making a mess, are some yummy chocolates. I'm excited about it. And they're so pretty because they have these like little gold dusted designs on them and everything. So it's really, really cool. And stuff. And there's one, oh, there he is. But they have these really cute gold dusted emblems on them. So they're really pretty. I can't wait to dive into those. I'm going to bend down and put this off. So forgive me if you see the top of my head and all my gray hairs and all of that good stuff. But I'm proud of my gray hair. I worked hard for them. So, all right. Oh, another yummy box of chocolates. They really knew that I liked my chocolates, didn't they? They sure did. These are called Irish Moment Chocolate Selection, handmade. Ooh, those look amazing. But there you go. And they're so pretty. They're done up so pretty with a bow and stuff. Alrighty. Let's see what else we got. We got a bag of Nature Irish cheese and onion crisp. So these are like, they're, let's see, hand cooked from our family to yours. They're like potato chips. But instead of being sour cream and onion, they're cheese and onions. So those are yummy. Let's see. They sent me this really pretty scarf. Oh, it's soft. But it's got all these cute little shamrocks. So I'll be all ready for St. Patrick's Day. But that's really cute. That is adorable. Let's see, what else? Berries tea. Some Irish tea. These people really know me. Chocolate, tea, and if I'm not mistaken, and I'm not, a can of Irish coffee. So they definitely know me. They've got my chocolate, they've got my hot tea, and they've got my coffee. So I'm a happy girl. Yes, see? Arlen and I, we're thinking alike. We're good. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, okay. Here we go. We've got this really cute cow box. And when you pull this out, what do we find? Oh, it's a little stubborn. Oh, okay. Well, you pull it out, and right in here you can see there's some like little tapestries. And I guess you can hang them on the wall. They're like little tapestries or something. I don't know, but they're pictures of cute cows. And I'm all about a good cow. You know, growing up on a dairy farm, I like my cows, so that's really cute. And I love the box. It looks like a cow. So we have those. Let's see, what else do we have? We have some flapjack minis, fully loaded. Ooh, it says baked with love in Galloway. They look like little, I don't know, like little granola bars or little breakfast bars type things, but they're called flapjack minis. Those look really cute. They're called fully loaded. They're loaded with dried fruit, honey, seeds, chocolate chips, and coconut. Well, that's kind of cool. Those look really yummy. So that's nice. Let's see. Oh, we have another one that's kind of the same, from the same company, but these are called Cookie Shot Brownie Biscuits. Okay, Cookie Shots. That sounds interesting. What are they? With only 18 calories per cookie and approximately 30 cookies per bag. Oh, okay. Add a shot of to your day. Oh, so like little mini cookies. And this one says it's gluten and wheat free and they're vegan. Well, there you go. those are really yummy. Well, they're cute. They're little mini cookies. I was thinking they said shots. I was like, am I doing, I'm thinking shots, whiskey, but nope, just little cookies. That's okay. Can have them with a shot of coffee. All right. Oh, and here's a cute little candle. No, doesn't have a fragrance, but it's cute, and it's in a little green thing for St. Patrick's Day, so that's adorable. Let's see, what else do we got? We got Katie Riley's Irish soda bread mix. I got some soda bread mix. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. So, it's kind of cool. It's soda bread mix, but there's something else in there, because I feel like what looks like chocolate chips or something. I don't know. It says The Legend of Katie Riley's Irish soda bread, and there's a little story that comes along behind the story of this, and that's really cool. But it's Irish soda bread, so quite interesting. That's fun. Let's see what else. What do we got in here? We got some strong Irish mustard. Looks pretty yummy. Nice color. Put some strong Irish mustard. And then we have Bailey Mallow original sauce. It says serve with cold cuts, cheese, salad, or grills. Oh, so it's kind of like it's a sauce of some kind that you can put on the side, or put like with a cheese platter, or with some cold cuts or something. But it's like a little Irish sauce. Looks yummy to me. We'll have to give it a try. So, let's see what else we got here. Oh, well, here's something cute. It says Lucky Shamrock. Oh, grow your own Lucky Shamrock. Just add water. Oh, well, there's something cute. I can grow my own shamrock. And it came with a little pot and everything you need in it. I don't know about you, but when I was a child, I used to remember hunting high and low through my yard for 4-leaf clovers, because I was told they were lucky, and so I hunted high and low, and I was never lucky enough to find one. My son found one not long ago, and I don't remember where he found it, but he did find one, and it's really cool. Okay, and then, this was buried under everything, and what is this? Oh my gosh, it's Irish whiskey. Oh my goodness. Okay, I admit I am not a drinker, but I'd be willing to take a shot of this just to try Irish whiskey. I always, you always see it on like TV shows and movies, and you read it in a book about how they've kept, they have a good bottle of Irish whiskey that's like so many years old or whatever. And so now I have a bottle of Irish whiskey, so might have to try it just to see what all the talk is about. I'm not a drinker, but I'm willing to give it a shot. Haha, you see that what I did there? Okay. And finally, the last thing piled on the very bottom is Kevin Dunnan's Modern Irish Food. Oh, it's a cookbook of Irish recipes. Okay. Ireland officially gets me chocolate, tea, coffee, food in general, and now a cookbook. Okay, we're talking chocolate, books, and hot tea and coffee, as well as food. Yeah, baby. Ireland people get me. That's all I can say. They get me. And then, of course, there's some paperwork that gives you a little bit of information about all the different foods that's in here, and some background on that and all that. So that's kind of cool. That was a really awesome gift box that I got from the Ireland Tourism Board. I'm quite excited about it, and I can't wait to try all these little different pieces of Ireland and stuff, and kind of have my own little Irish party going tonight when I go to the St. Patrick's Day party. So I'm really excited. I'm very grateful, and to the Tourism Board of Ireland, I'm so grateful for for inviting me, for sending me this gift box, and I can't wait to see you guys all tonight. Um, but yeah, just really thankful and grateful. So until next time, guys, talk to you all later. Have a blessed day. Bye.